Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix low call volume on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many solution to fix this problem. So just simply go to the first solution. First is clean the speaker. Dust, debris or dirt might be blocking the speaker. Use a small soft brush or compressed air to clean the speaker area at the top of your iPhone to fix your call volume. If this solution is not working, then we move to second solution. Second is adjust call volume. During a call, the volume button on the side of your iPhone to increase the call volume. Check if the volume is set for low or high. So for high volume, press the volume up button to increase your call volume and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is remove iPhone case. If you are using a case, it might be blocking the speaker. Remove the case and see if the call volume improve or not. So if this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check for software update. So for checking software update, tap on settings here. Here you can go to general and here you can see software update. Tap on it. Now you can see waiting for few minutes and now you can see iOS 17.2 is available. Tap on update now to update your iOS. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another is restart your device. For restarting it, just simply go to settings here, tap on general and scroll to the down and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset all settings. So just go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone. Now you can see reset. Tap on it. Here you can see reset all settings. So just open the reset all settings and reset the settings only without losing any data. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is disable phone noise cancellation. Phone noise cancellation is a feature that can affect call volume. So go to settings, go to accessibility, scroll down and now you can see audio and visual. Tap on it and here you can see phone noise cancellation. Turn it off to fix phone noise cancellation to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.